Hey y'all, let's make our DIY heart picks. With me, Ashley at Reckless Creations. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube. This video will be there, the long form. You're going to need some foam hearts with a sticky back, right? That's the self-adhesive hearts with a sticky back. You can get them in all different types of colors, but we're doing Valentine's Day theme, so we have red, we have white, and we have magenta pink, baby. Any size, it doesn't matter. Let's get into it. I'm going to lay out all of my like hearts. So like-sized hearts, we're going to use our floral wire. Now, the floral wire I did get from Hobby Lobby. It's called floral stem wire. It's a 22 gauge, 70 pieces, and they are 18 inches long. So what we're going to do is remove the backing off of our hearts. We're going to place our floral stem wire right at the crescent or the crease of our heart on the back side. And then, yes, this material is very sticky because remember, it is self-adhesive, just like so. And then you are going to take your other heart. So I did separate them to make it easier for myself so I wouldn't have to wait too long, and I placed it on the counter. I'm going to take this heart and I'm going to align it nice and evenly at the bottom of my heart. And then we're going to press and pinch nice and tight, you guys, to make sure that these do stick together. And here we have it. We have a nice little pick. And then with the floral wire, what I love about it is that you can make it swirl and swivel just by wrapping it around your fingers, just like so. So we're going to go through the same process for all of our different colors. Like I said, we're doing the reds, we have magenta, and we also have white. So you guys see, now what I'm doing is, because I'm just, the process, everything takes a while, okay? It's all about the process. So to make it easier for myself, I just removed the backing to all of my hearts and I put them on the edge of my countertop. This is a granite countertop. It will not hurt my table, for those who inquire about that. And then I'm going to easily just pick it up and I'm going to make sure that I get it nice and right and even. Now, again, these are self-adhesive, y'all. Let me tell y'all something. These little pieces stick so fast. So once you stick them together, please make sure it's in the proper position, because if you mess up, then you'll have to throw it away. I'm doing all the 3 sizes for this particular color. Why? Because that's what was in the pack. But again, you can get these in multiple shades of colors, different color combinations, all the combinations that your heart can desire. I absolutely love them. I am going to provide you guys with a link on where to get the floral stem wire. Again, it's a 22 gauge, 18 inches long. I like them. This one has the white covering over the floral stem. They do have black, and I also noticed a green. Again, I purchased those from Hobby Lobby. So if you are an avid shopper there, y'all, make sure you go and get these by the packs. I usually grab a couple of packs at one time just so I can have them, because I love to make multiple picks and sprays for my designs. I am a DIYer. I am a wreath maker, so these would be perfect in my wreath designs as well. Our Valentine's Day tree had these in them too, you guys. If you are into more DIYs, please make sure that you are subscribed to my Reckless Creations page on the YouTube channel, y'all. It's Reckless with a W, Creations with a K. I also have a Facebook group. That's right, Reckless Creations Inspire Community. And in this community, we express ourselves the crafty way. We make all different types of things, especially wreaths, but it's all things crafty. So if you have not joined the group, what are you waiting on, honey? Go ahead and join us. That's Reckless Creations Inspired Community. That is community with a K on Facebook. At the end of this video, I have a special treat for you guys. I'm going to show y'all where and why I used my sprays that we just made right here in our tutorial. You can make multiples, and of course I did, and they came out so wonderful and beautiful. Let me know in the comments if you made them too, if this helped you, if you learned something new today, you guys, let us know. But let me show you exactly how they went. I absolutely love my picks in my ball garland, y'all. Make sure to like, follow, and share. And I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.